Hello students, welcome to Sharmila's Math. In this video, we are going to see how to apply Lagrange's interpolation formula to interpolate the values with unequal intervals. This is the formula y equal to f of x, which is equal to x minus x1 into x minus x2 etc. up to x minus xn divided by x naught minus x1 into x naught minus x2 etc. up to x naught minus xn into y naught plus x minus x naught, x minus x2 etc. up to x minus xn by x1 minus x naught, x1 minus x2 etc. up to x1 minus xn into y1 plus etc. up to the last term is x minus x naught into x minus x1 etc. up to x minus xn minus 1 divided by xn minus x naught, xn minus x1 etc. up to xn minus 1 into yn. I'll explain how to memorize this easily. The values will be, for example, the x values are x0, x1, etc. up to xn, and the respective y values are y0, y1, y2, etc. yn. See the first term, in that, leaving this x0, we have to take all the factors in the numerator. We have to take all the factors like x minus x0, x minus x1, x minus x2, x2, etc. up to x minus xn. You take this as a fixed term. In the first term, leaving this, you have to take all the factors starting from x minus x1, x minus x1, x minus x2, etc. up to x minus xn. This is your first term. In the second term, we have to leave this. Leaving this, we have to take all the other factors in the numerator. X minus x0, x minus x2, etc. up to x minus xn. Similarly, when you go with the third term, leaving this third term, we have to take all the factors. And in the last term, we have to leave this last factor. So, x minus x0, x minus x1, etc. up to, what is the term before this? The term is x minus xn minus 1. So, up to this we have to take in the numerator. Is it clear? And come to the denominator. What we left x minus x naught, that is x naught term. Okay. So, in the numerator, whatever factor we have, we have to replace all the x by x naught. So, x naught minus x1, x naught minus x2, etc. up to x naught minus xn. That will come in the denominator into the respective y value, that is y naught. Similarly, when we go with the second term, this is our numerator. In this, x has to be replaced by the second value x1. So, x1 minus x0, x1 minus x2, x1 minus xn in the respective y value, that is yn. Similarly, when you go with the last term is for xn. So, xn minus x0, xn minus x1, etc. up to xn minus xn minus 1 into the respective y value yn. So, in this way, you can easily memorize this. Take this, all the terms. For every term, if it is first term means leaving the first factor. If it is second term means leaving the second factor up to the last term. Is it clear how to keep this in memory easily? Now come to the problem. Using Lagrange's interpolation formula, we are going to find y of 10 from the following table. The respective y values are 5, 6, 9, 11 and the y values are 12, 13, 14 and 16. Already I told you when I started, this Lagrange's formula is applicable for unequal, mainly for unequal intervals, but we may use that for equal intervals too. But if it is unequal, only this formula is applicable. Okay, unequal means which is the unequal value? X. So see the given x values 5, 6, 9, 11. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 1 has been added. And 6 plus 3, that is 9. And 9 plus 2, that is 11. So here we have added 1, here we have added 3, and here we have added 2. All the differences are unequal. For such kind of x values, only Lagrange's formula is applicable. Other than that, we can't use any other formula. And the respective y values are there. So first we have to apply Lagrange's formula, and from that we have to find what is the y of 10 value. This is the easiest method, and according to the formula given, already we saw this formula, no? This is the formula, and we are going to see how to apply this for this problem. And here this is our x0 and this is our y0. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2, and this is x3 and y3. What is the first term we have? See, here in the formula we have taken up to xn, that is the general term. But here we don't xn, that is n equal to 3. So up to the third term we have to take. Already what I said, you fix this factor x minus x0. Here x0 is 5. Then x minus x1 6, x minus 9, and x minus 11. In the table itself we can fix x minus 5, x minus 6, x minus 9, and x minus 11. For the first value we have to leave this. So leaving that, we have to take x minus 6, x minus 9, then x minus 11 divided by which one we left? This 5, this term we left, no. So x has to be replaced by 5. 5 minus 6, 5 minus 9, and 5 minus 11 into the respective y value. The respective y value is 12. Is it clear how we took the first term? Similarly, when we go with the second term is 6. So leaving this term, we have to take the other three factors. So x minus 5, then x minus 9, then x minus 11 by which factor we left? 6. So x has to be replaced by 6. 6 minus 5, then 6 minus 9, and 6 minus 11 into the respective y value is 13. Is it clear? I have written here. So the first term into 12, the second term into 13. Now come to the third term. Third term means we have to leave this factor. So x minus 5, x minus 6, x minus 11 in the numerator. And which one we left? 9 we left. So 9 minus 5, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 11 into the respective y value is 14 into 14. Come to the last term. Taking all the first three terms, we have to leave this. So x minus 5, x minus 6, x minus 11. So 11 is the x value divided by 11 minus 5, 11 minus 6, 11 minus 9 into the respective y value 16. So x minus 5, x minus 6, x minus 9 divided by 11 minus 5, 11 minus 6, 11 minus 9 into 16. Is it clear? So this is what we have applied Lagrange's formula. Now what is the question they have asked? We have to find y of 10. Okay, so after applying the formula, no need to simplify this here itself. We have to apply, we have to substitute x is equal to 10. That is the question they asked to know. We have to find y of 10. What is y of 10? So we have to apply x equal to 10. So in this, we have to apply. So 10 minus 6, 10 minus 9, 10 minus 11 divided by this we can simplify. 5 minus 6 is minus 1 into 5 minus 9 is minus 4, then 5 minus 11 is minus 6 into the respective 12. You have to concentrate on the signs. So this is very important. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. So when you subtract, make sure you're writing the correct signs. Okay. Similarly, we have to do for the other three terms also. This is our simplification of the second term. Similarly, we have to do all the other terms, and this is the substitution of the other two terms. After simplification, we have to get this as the answer, 14.6667. Don't take up to 2 decimals, at least 4 decimals you have to take. And make sure when you take the 4th decimal, if the 5th decimal is 5 and above 5, we have to add 1 to the previous term. Here, after simplification, we'll get the answer as 14.6666, etc. Since this term is 6, it is above 5, I have added 1 to the previous term. So my answer, what I am getting is 14.6667. Don't take at least up to 2 decimals. Make sure you have to take a minimum of 4 decimals. Is it clear? This is the next example. Using Lagrange's formula of interpolation, we have to find what is y of 9.5. The values given are x values are 7, 8, 9, 10 and y values are 3, 1, 1, 9. At the beginning itself, I said this Lagrange's formula is applicable mainly for unequal intervals, and we can apply this to for equal intervals also. But for unequal intervals, this is the only formula which is easy to apply. Here, the x values are 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. The values are unequal, but since in the problem they asked you to apply Lagrange's formula, we have to apply this formula. One more formula is there for equal intervals that I will explain in my next video. And this is what, after applying the formula, we are getting the terms. Quickly, we can go through it. What I said, write the factors x minus 7, then x minus 8, x minus 9 and x minus 10. For the first term, we have to leave this. So x minus 8, x minus 9, x minus 10 divided by 7 only we left now. So 7 minus 8, 7 minus 9, 7 minus 10 into the respective value 3. Come to the second term. In the second term, we have to leave this. So x minus 7, x minus 9, x minus 10 divided by the respective x value is 8. 8 minus 7, 8 minus 9, 8 minus 10 into the respective y value is 1. Similarly, we have to go for this and this. These are the terms we are getting after applying Lagrange's formula. Then what is the question they asked? We have to find what is y of 9.5. So we have to substitute x as 9.5. After substitution, we are getting all these terms. So we have to simplify and get the answer. After simplification of all the terms, these are the four terms, and final answer what we have to get is 3.625. Is it clear how we are doing this? Already I told you, don't take the decimals up to 2 or 3. Make sure at least a minimum of 4 decimals you have to apply. Is it clear? Thank you.